I will show you how to make impossible cake, and actually it's not impossible, don't be scared. Cake in the bottom and custard on the top. The ingredients you need for the flan is 6 eggs, a can of evaporated milk, a can of condensed milk, and a little bit of vanilla. You put it in the blender for a couple minutes until everything is mixed together. I love to use chocolate, but you can use vanilla, you can use white, you can use any kind of pan. First, the chocolate butter in the bottom. To do the flan on the top, you don't put it in the center. Have a spoon in one hand and put in the edges of the pan and go slowly. And like that will go all on the top, and this will do the magic. Don't do it like a splash it on the top because it won't work like that. You put some water in the bottom, you put a piece of foil on the top, and it has to go to 350 degrees in the oven for an hour. And sorry guys, I have to take this phone call. All my reservations are made by phone, and that's why it's very important to take it. I'm sorry about that. Hello, the Grotto? Yes, for how many people? Thank you very much for calling me. Okay, I will pass the phone to my husband. And we continue with this. We will put it in the oven right now. I will show you why it's impossible cake. You can see half cake, half flan. You can serve it with caramel sauce, and it's ready to eat. The caramel sauce on the top. You guys have to make it. You will be very happy with that.